Hey you guys, how are you doing on today? I pray that all is well. I'm doing well myself. Today's video will consist of just a little bit of tidying up. Not too much because the entire family is at home. My son and my daughter, both of them are off today. It's very rare that they both off on the same day. So outside of that, you guys, I need to clean this kitchen and let me see what else is gonna work on. I need to get to my pantry. That's not gonna happen today. I already know that, because if that was the case, I would have started early this morning, and it's not early morning. It's not early morning. It's afternoon. Yeah, so I find it hard, believe it or not, when everybody is at home for me to get in a rhythm, if that makes sense. It seems like when everybody's at home, it's just harder. Like when everybody's gone, it's just me here. I can get up and I can do, and I can get started and I can do what I need to do. But when everybody here, I don't know why, but it's hard for me to, I just don't know. But anyway, if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Welcome to Candid with Carla, and thank you for stopping by. To my old subscribers, welcome back. This is a faith-based channel. I am a certified life coach. On this channel, I used to do faith talks. I used to do and I do want to get back to that. But on this channel, we basically just do lifestyle, Christian lifestyle, just everyday life, cleaning. I want to get back into my home organization stuff that I kind of gotten away from, and vlogging. Yeah, we had some conversations some days, so it just depends. Yeah, lifestyle. This old life, this old Christian life. Yeah, so with that being said, let me get to the tidying up of this kitchen.